Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm showing you how to change margins in Google Drive Computer Solutions Full 2026 Guide. If you've ever struggled with getting your document layout just right, especially when printing or formatting assignments, this walkthrough is going to make the whole process simple and stress-free. Let's dive in. To begin, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Once the homepage loads, click on Drive so you can access your files. From there, go over to Home to see your recent items, and then switch to My Drive, where all your main documents are stored. After that, move back to Home and look for the untitled document or whichever document you want to adjust. Click it to open it right inside Google Docs. When your document is open, go to the top menu bar and click File. This opens up the main settings panel where all the options are listed. In that menu, select Page Setup, which is where Google Docs keeps all the margin, size, and orientation controls. Inside the Page Setup window, look for the area labeled Margins, Inches, because that's where you'll make all your adjustments. Start by clicking the box for the top margin and type in the measurement you want. Then move to the bottom margin and adjust that the same way. After that, set the left margin to whatever spacing works best for your layout, and finally, change the right margin so everything is balanced the way you want it. Once all the margins look right, finish up by selecting OK, and Google Docs will instantly apply the changes across your entire document. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to change margins in Google Docs inside Google Drive, and you can format any document like a pro. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another helpful guide.